Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous chapter video. So, in the previous video, I completed the explanation of the chapter, that is Home Sweet Home. So, student, today we will start with the book exercises of the chapter. First question number A. This is question number A. First question, kacha houses are generally found in dash. Options are cities, option B village, option C parks. So, kacha houses are generally found in villages. Is it clear? Kacha houses are generally found in village. Question number 2. A floating house is also called it a floating house is also called it a option A tent, option B flat, and option C houseboat. So, a floating house is also called it a tent. No, tent is a temporary house. Flat, pakka house, and floating house, it means these houses are floating on the water. And these types of houses you are able to see in where you are able to see in Kerala and Kashmir. So, the floating house is also called it a houseboat. Is it clear? Houseboat is the right answer. Note down. Houseboat is the right answer. Next, how are the flows? Live in a dash. Option A shed, option B stable, and option C borrow. So where did the cow live? Cow live in a shed. So option A is your right answer. Then question number B. Question number B. Question B. Complete the sentences. So what is the first question? We must sweep and dust and dust our houses. So what is the answer? We must sweep and dust our houses. You daily see that your mother clean their house, so we must sweep and dust our houses daily. Question number 2. Doors and windows. Doors and windows should have mesh to. So what is the reason why doors and windows should have mesh? So that to control the entry of the pest. Is it clear? To control the entry of pest. Third one, we need a house or shelter to. Why we need a house, student? We need a house or shelter to live. We need a house or shelter to live. So now next question is true and false. Write true and false. Question C. Write true or false. Question number 1. An igloo is made up of bricks. So in Arctic region, what type of houses are present? That is the houses made of slabs of ice, and that houses are known as igloos. And here it is given igloos is made of a bricks. So pakka houses are made with the bricks. So this is the false statement. Question number 2. A tree house is made in a boat. A tree house is made. A tree house is made in a boat. The house which is made in the boat, that is known as a houseboat. Okay, it floats on the water. So this is the false statement. What is the house with a sloping roof? House with a sloping roof are found house with a sloping roof are found in Himachal Pradesh. Yes, this is the true statement, because the places where heavy rainfall or snowfall, so in that places the houses are sloping so that the rain or snow slip to the ground. Is it clear? So next is the fourth one. A kacha house a kacha house a kacha house is made kacha house is made of bricks, cement, brick, cement and iron. So student, this is the false statement. Pakka house is made of brick, cement and iron, not a kacha house. So that is the reason this is the false statement. Okay. Now we will start with the question answer of this chapter. So what is the first question? What are skyscrapers? First question number 1. What are skyscrapers? Okay, so high tower-like buildings with houses and offices are called skyscrapers, and these types of houses you will see in the cities areas. Okay, high tower-like building buildings with the houses and offices are crowded. Skyscrapers. Question number 2. Name three factors based on which a house is built. So this I have already explained you when I explained you the chapter. The three factors on which the house is built. That is the first is the climate of that place. Second is the material available in that place, and the most important thing is that how much money you can spend. So these are the three factors on which the house is made. Next, in the question 2, name the three factors. Name the three factors based on on which a house is built. So note down the answer, student. Answer. The three factors are first one, the climate of a place. Second point, material available. Material available. Third point, money that a person can spend. Is it clear? So the three factors on which the house, the climate of a place, material available, money that a person can spend. Next, what are pests? Give an example. Question 3. What are pests? Give an example. So note down the answer. The unwanted visitor in our houses are called pest. Or some example are lizard, houseflies, spider, mosquitoes, cockroach. These are the unwanted visitor which enter in our house. So note down the answer. The unwanted visitors in our houses are called pests. Some examples are lizard, housefly, spider, mosquitoes, cockroach, etc. So note down. You can take a screenshot also. Now, question number E. We will start question number E. Okay. Question number E. Question 1. How can we keep our house clean? How can we keep our house clean? So, to keep our house clean, what we will do, sweep and dust our house daily, keep things in their proper places, throw garbage in covered dustbin, use pesticides and disinfectants to control pests, and put wire mesh on doors and windows so that the house flies do not enter inside your house. Okay. To keep our house clean, we must sweep and dust our house daily. point. Keep things in their proper place. Third point, throw garbage in our dustbin. Fourth, use pesticides and disinfectants to control pests. Okay, these are the 4 points. One more point you have to write, student. Fifth point is put wire mesh on doors and windows. Put wire mesh on doors and window. Now next question is, how is a permanent house different from a temporary house? Okay, so temporary house, permanent, a kacha house is known as temporary house, and permanent house is also called it a pakka house. And temporary houses, these kacha houses, you mostly see these types of the houses found in the villages. मोस्टली आपको ऐसे हाउसेस कहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे बेटा? विलेजेस में देखने को मिलेंगे, ठीक है। और जो आपके परमानेंट हाउसेस हैं, मोस्टली these types of houses are found in the cities. Okay, mostly you are able to see the permanent houses in the cities. Okay, and temporary houses is made of wood and mud. ये जो टेम्परेरी हाउसेस होते हैं ये किससे बनते हैं? वुड यूज होती है, मड यूज होती है, स्ट्रा यूज होती है. एंड द हाउ द परमानेंट हाउसेस आर मेड? सो परमानेंट हाउसेस आर मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए ब्रिक, सीमेंट, सैंड, स्टोन, पेबल्स, मार्बल्स, iron. So permanent houses is made of a cement, bricks, iron, steel, even wood is also used in the windows of the permanent houses. So these are the material which are used for making the permanent houses. Is it clear? Okay, thank you student.